Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today we will be having another session focused on the use case scenario for requirement fulfillment which we apply regularly in our development activities. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT. So please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So let's proceed further on our use case. So use case is update the label of any field. What does that mean is like we have to update the label of service or configuration item field in incident table, which is extended from task table. So it's really interesting how we can update the label so that it doesn't impact the task table label, which is displayed on multiple tables like incident, problem or change, right? So we will try to update those labels of those fields and see how we can implement this. So let's proceed further in our personal developer instance and see how we can apply the changes. All right, so let's proceed further. So you can see this is our personal developer instance, and now I will try to open my incident form. So I will open any incident here. So suppose I will open one incident, and now you can see there is a field service configuration item which is coming from task table. If I go to the dictionary, you will see the label which is set for task table. So service is set for task table, and we cannot modify it because as soon as we will make the change for this label, it will impact wherever this task table is extended. It will update the same label on all those tables also. All right, so how we can get through this is like we have one of the options where we can change the label. So we have to go to our dictionary and create the label for a specific field. All right, so now let's see how we can do that. So I will try to update two fields like service and configuration item. So for service, I will update it as business service, and configuration item I will update as CMDB/CI. All right, so let's try to do that. So I will go to dictionary of this service, and now under this service we have related list. All right, so related list, access control, choices, attributes, labels or dictionary override. So under dictionary override, we will not have this option to override label. So we have one related list where it is defined what is the label for what field. So now let me click on new, and I will select incident table here because for task it is already created. So I will select incident, and now I will change the label. So suppose what label I will change? I will change business service here. So now I will save this form and I will click on submit. As soon as I have submitted it, you can see the task table label is service, but I have added the label related list for incident form and I have updated the label as business service. So now let's try to see our incident form, whether the change has been applied or not. So instead of service, we have to see business service. So yeah, the changes is applied here. All right, so now we will see the changes for configuration item also. So I will click on configure dictionary, and under configuration dictionary again we have labels here. I will click new, and similarly I will create for incident table. So suppose I will write it CMDB/CI. All right, so I will click on submit, and again you will see our label is not modified on task table. On task table it is still configuration item, but for our incident table I have changed the label as CMDB/CI. Now I will click on update, and as soon as we will see the CMDB CI and business service is updated on this incident table without modifying any change on the task table, and as well as without writing any lines of code. So people generally try to use client script here, so that is not recommended. And as well as some script people used to write under UI policy also for changing the label. So I think script for changing label is not required, because unnecessary you will write some script. Better than that, just create the configuration like how I have done here. Alright, this way you will end up not writing any extra client script. Alright, and this will help you in many activities or in many tasks wherever you are implementing the changes. Alright, so please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. Alright, so for more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.